For more than a century, the world of long-haul trucking has been powered by one thing: diesel. The sound, the smell, the constant idling, it became the heartbeat of global logistics. And for decades, nothing could challenge it. Until now. Because in 2026, Tesla didn't just build another truck. They engineered a revolution. A quiet, powerful, intelligent machine designed to flip the entire freight industry upside down. And almost nobody saw it coming. Today, we'll explore how the Tesla Semi is rewriting the rules of physics, logistics, maintenance, economics, and more importantly, the lives of the drivers behind the wheel. Welcome to a realignment of inevitability. The diesel problem no one talks about. Diesel engines are mechanical miracles, but they're also breathtakingly inefficient. Only 35% of the fuel burned actually pushes a truck forward. The rest, lost as heat, noise, vibration, and wasted emissions. Every rattling engine mount, every screaming turbo spool isn't power, it's waste, and the industry has paid for that. Waste for decades through skyrocketing fuel costs, unpredictable price spikes, endless maintenance cycles. We normalize the pain, but Tesla didn't. Electric torque is a different animal. The Tesla Semi delivers power instantly. No gears, no shift lag, no turbo spool. Push the accelerator, you launch. A fully loaded Semi can accelerate faster than a diesel tractor with no trailer attached. The secret? 3 independent electric motors pulling with surgical precision. That means safer highway merges, faster uphill climbs, less driver stress. Power is no longer something you build. It's something you choose. Goodbye. Engine heat, hello efficiency. Electric motors waste far less energy. No combustion chamber, no oil contamination, no fuel injection drama. Instead of struggling to manage heat, the Semi simply sips electrons and converts them directly to motion. The result? Cooler components, longer part lifespan, fewer catastrophic failures. And fleet managers love that. Center seat. Command. They didn't put the driver in the center just for style. From the center, peripheral vision improves dramatically. Better lane judgment, cleaner passing angles, enhanced safety. Dual screens provide tire pressures, live trailer diagnostics, regenerative braking control, blind spot visuals. Everything a driver needs, without twisting their spine every 5 minutes. That matters on 12-hour shifts. The silent cabin effect. Trucking culture loves the roar of diesel, but here's the truth. Noise. Neurological stress. Every hour of engine noise increases cortisol, elevates blood pressure, drains mental focus. The Tesla Semi's cabin is remarkably quiet. Drivers report arriving calmer, clearer, and less fatigued. That translates to fewer mistakes, longer career longevity, better sleep recovery cycles. This isn't luxury, it's health engineering. Built for extreme weather, diesel fears cold. Fuel gels. Oil thickens. Engines struggle to warm. Electric motors. They don't care. The Semi was tested in Arctic cold, desert heat, monsoon flooding, high crosswind corridors. Torque delivery remained consistent. There's no warm-up. You press. It goes. Every second saved is money. Regeneration. Fueling by going downhill. Diesel trucks burn brakes hot on steep mountain declines. The Semi does the opposite. It charges while going downhill. Reagan braking offloads, stress from brake pads and hydraulic systems, recapturing energy otherwise thrown away as heat. On a long descent, drivers can recover over 50% battery. That's free fuel. You'll never look at mountains the same way again. Asha maintenance savings, annual breakdown. Diesel maintenance is a storm of moving parts, pistons, injectors, timing, oil systems, after-treatment filters, turbo assemblies. Electric, minimal wearable components. On average, the Tesla Semi saves $28,700 per year, $17,000 fuel savings, $6,500 maintenance reduction, $3,200 brake wear savings, $2,000 downtime avoidance, multiply by a fleet, 10 trucks, $287K saved annually, 100 trucks, and $2, $87 million. This is not nice to have. It's financially transformative. The Megacharger Network. Charging infrastructure is the backbone of feasibility. Tesla is deploying megachargers at logistic hubs, distribution centers, warehouse clusters, freight corridors. Solar integration. Stabilized energy cost. Diesel swings violently with world events. Electricity doesn't. That protects profit margins. Semi-autopilot and AI forecasting. Trucking accidents cost fleets billions every year. The Semi leverages predictive braking, lane guidance, jackknife prevention algorithms, collision avoidance cameras. Instead of reacting to danger, the vehicle anticipates it. Fewer claims, fewer repairs, fewer hospital bills. AI saves lives. The city noise crisis. Diesel bans are coming. By 2035, several countries will restrict diesel freight in urban zones. Europe, parts of Canada, multiple U.S. states. Cities prioritize clean air, quiet streets, nighttime delivery rights. Electric trucks glide through with minimal disruption. Fleets that don't adapt now could be legally locked out later. Oine, resale value advantage. A diesel truck's resale value is tied to engine fatigue. Electric powertrains don't suffer combustion wear, don't degrade oil system health, don't warp pistons. Result, higher retained value. Some early adopters might profit by reselling older semis later. Wild, but real. The global ripple effect. One electric semi reduces oil dependency, refinery output demand, highway noise pollution, healthcare costs related to air quality. Multiply this across thousands of trucks, and national economies shift. This is bigger than transportation. What diesel never expected. Diesel wasn't defeated by horsepower, or torque, or top speed. It was defeated by efficiency. The Tesla Semi accelerates faster, climbs harder, brakes smarter, rests safer, costs less, ages slower. And while legacy brands were busy defending tradition, Tesla was engineering inevitability. Finally, and that wraps up our deep dive into the Tesla Semi 2026, the long-haul revolution nobody saw coming. Whether you're a fleet manager, a long-haul driver, or just someone fascinated by automotive innovation, one thing is certain: the future of trucking is silent, powerful, and electric. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech and automotive documentaries, and tell us in the comments, do you think diesel is officially dead? Thanks for watching. This is Road Zone Reviews, signing out.